100 souls in one playground. First day of school in the church downtown. You smiled at me, I was already there. You were sunshine in that basement air. You were my first kiss, I made my move. You pushed me out that bus seat. You didn't know back then what time would prove that my heart would always come back to you. You're the rose, and I'm that broken bird. Somehow you saw something worth your world. You lift me up when I can't fly. You stand beside me, rain or shine. From Camaro dreams to a minivan ride, 4 kids deep and love still alive. Oh, I don't know how we fit so perfectly, girl, but you're my rose and I'm your bird. Homecoming king and queen that year. You rolled your eyes, I held you near. You make faces out the window, laughing wild, a heart that dances free in style. You cheer the underdog every time, even if that meant not cheering for mine. Guess that's a fire that keeps you true. That's why my heart belongs to you. You're the rose, and I'm that broken bird. Somehow you saw something worth your world. You lift me up when I can't fly. You stand beside me, rain or shine. From Camaro dreams to a minivan ride, 4 kids deep and love still alive. Oh, I don't know how we fit so perfectly, girl, but you're my rose, and I'm your bird. We moved 20 times coast to coast. You've been my shelter when I need you most. Every time I fall and you were there. No judgment, just your steady care. You're taking strays like they're royalty, and somehow still got room for me. You made me better, made me whole. You are the keeper of my soul. You're the rose, still shining bright through every wrong, through every ride. You're the calm, you're the prayer I heard, the reason I became this man on earth. So here's to the miles, the love, the years, the laughter, the scars, the golden tears. I'd do it all again, my word, for my rose. And